Vitamin B12, cobalamin, for growth, energy, nerve cells. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is an essential water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It is necessary for growth, energy production, and the maintenance of nerve cells. Here are some key functions of vitamin B12. DNA synthesis. Vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of DNA, the genetic material present in all cells. This is crucial for cell division and growth. Energy production. Cobalamin plays a vital role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It helps convert food into glucose, which the body uses as an energy source. Nervous system support. Vitamin B12 is essential for the normal functioning of the nervous system. It helps in the formation of the myelin sheath, a protective coating around nerve cells that facilitates the transmission of nerve signals. Red blood cell formation. Vitamin B12 is required for the production of red blood cells in the bone marrow. Adequate levels of B12 are necessary to prevent a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia, which is characterized by large, immature red blood cells. Homocysteine metabolism. Cobalamin, along with other B vitamins, B6 and folate, is involved in the metabolism of homocysteine, an amino acid. Elevated homocysteine levels have been associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is naturally found in animal products, including meat, beef, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and certain fortified foods, such as fortified cereals and plant-based milk alternatives. It is not naturally present in plant-based foods, so vegans and vegetarians may need to ensure they get enough B12 through fortified foods or supplements. Deficiency of vitamin B12. A deficiency of vitamin B12 can lead to various health issues, including megaloblastic anemia, neurological problems, such as numbness, tingling, and balance issues, weakness, fatigue, and memory problems. Prolonged deficiency can have serious consequences, so it is essential to maintain adequate B12 levels through diet or supplements if necessary. If you suspect a vitamin B12 deficiency or have concerns about your nutrient intake, it's best to consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and advice. They can recommend appropriate tests and help you establish a suitable plan to meet your nutritional needs.